Welcome, grade 12. Uncle Pythagoras is still busy with the proportionality. We are going to be proving this problem. We are given triangle ACD with AB equals to BC, AB is equals to BC, GE is 15 centimeters, this is 15 centimeters GE, and AF is equals to FE is equals to ED. AF is equals to FE is equals to ED. That means these three portions are equal. Find CG. They want us to find CG. Remember, come with me to start at theorem number 2. Theorem number 2 says the line segment joining the third or the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half the third side. You see, this is half the third side, or this side is twice the midpoint, the line drawn from the midpoint. So we are going to say segment and reason. We are proving that one. That we are going to consider in triangle BDF. We are in this triangle BDF. This triangle, it's like this. F B D. We have G E. We have 15 centimeters here. So it means that BE is equals to twice GE. BF, not BE. BF. I want to say BF, not BE. BF is twice GE. What is the reason for that? Is line parallel to the third side of triangle in such a way that it will, the midpoint, or this reason could be, use this midpoint theorem. Yeah, I prefer to use midpoint theorem because this is the midpoint theorem, though we have a line that is parallel to that side. But let us resort to midpoint theorem. Right. If that is the case, then BF is equals to 2 times GE. What is GE? GE is given as 15 centimeters. Therefore, BF is what? BF is 30 centimeters. Now we have BF as 30 centimeters. Then we are going to case number 2. We are consider triangle ACE. ACE. Then CE is equals to twice BF. We know that we have proven that BF is 30 centimeters from above. Then CE is equals to CG plus GE. Then we come and say this CE, I'm going to segregate it like this. CG plus GE CE is equals to 2 times BF. Your BF is calculated as 30 centimeters. Proven above, that is what is it? We have proven that 30 centimeters is equals to BF. Then CG plus 15 centimeters, it is given, is equals to 2 times 30, it's 60 centimeters. Then CG is going to be 60 centimeters, subtract 15 centimeters, then CG is 45 centimeters. This is CG, so your CG here is going to give you 45 centimeters. Right, Uncle Pythagoras, we'll see you in the next videos. Please keep practicing. I'll see you in the next videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all, grade 12. Please do not forget, most importantly, do not forget to practice. There is no day which passes by without practicing this maths subject. Uncle Pythagoras will see you in the next videos. Goodbye.